My white egg pizza. It contains a whole protein serving, is both extremely low in fat and carbohydrates and yet very tasty. Here's the secret. In a mixing bowl, beat 250 milliliters of raw egg whites, 3 pinches of dry or fresh oregano, 1 tablespoon of flax flour, 3 pinches of dry or fresh basil, and a pinch of turmeric powder. I whisk energetically. Whoops! I forgot the sea salt and pepper to taste. The use of a frying pan with a 6 to 7 inches in diameter is required. Place pan over maximum heat and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil or butter. Only when the oil or butter is quite hot, spread it all over the pan, then pour the beaten mixture slowly in the middle of the pan. Look carefully at the pouring technique. Do not lower the heat. When the liquid mixture starts to form a hard coat underneath, raise the surrounding edges of this hardened coat and let the remaining liquid flows underneath, just like this. So really lift the edges. We can lift it again and let the liquid flows underneath. Repeat this step until it's solid enough to flip. Make sure to unstick the crust from the pan just like this and flip it upside down. Can help myself with this wooden spoon. I recommend not to overcook or make the crust golden, so it's time to transfer the crust to a serving plate. Let's garnish this pizza by spreading 2 tablespoons of salsa sauce. As you can see, we don't need more of salsa sauce. I have tested the perfect amount of each ingredient here and propose it to you. A few slices of any kind of olive. I have Kalamata. 3 pinches of dry or fresh oregano. 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan, a delicious fermented and flavorful cheese. Okay, 3 more pinches of basil this time. That's it. Some small cubes of fresh tomato are optional. Today, I choose to add some. So as for some paprika. Let's end up with a drizzle of organic olive oil. To satisfy my gourmet taste, sometimes I like to change my toppings, as for example, small pieces of raw bell peppers, organic sausages, and so on. The flax flour added previously is also optional. It only gives more texture, fiber, and omega-3. Again, possibilities are as endless as your infinite love and capabilities.